Hey everyone, Carl Barnowski, Assurance Claim Services here in cloudy South Florida on Saturday morning. I am a licensed public adjuster here in Florida, and this is just a public service announcement for you folks out there that have sustained damage in Wellington and Gardens up in Vero Beach. A couple things that are going on right now that you need to be aware of. One, I had one of my homeowners call me this morning, actually sent me a text message saying, "Thanks so much for sending the people to my house to clean." To which I replied, "Who are these people?" Come to find out, people are knocking on doors and introducing themselves as cleanup crews that are being sent by their adjuster. Not the case. So obviously this gal let these folks in. There was 10 people there to do cleanup. And I asked her if she signed a contract. Fortunately, she said no. But this is what's happening out there. And it just makes me sick that people that have sustained damage, they're stressed out, they don't know what to do. And there are people out there like this that are taking advantage of those folks. And the hazard here is that once they get in there and they have a piece of paper signed, it's called an assignment of benefit typically that they have signed. And what assignment of benefit means that is instead of that insurance check going to that homeowner, that check is either going to be written to the homeowner and that company, which means they're on the check, or it's going to be sent directly to that company, which means they can bill them for whatever they want. So be very, very careful about what you sign and who you let into your house. The second thing is I ran into at another homeowner that I had to go do an inspection. I pulled up and there's a guy coming down the driveway all puffed up and he goes, "Who are you?" And I was like, this isn't going to end well. I asked him who he was, and he said he was the public adjuster for this house. No, you're not. He could not produce a license, a business card, a license number, a contract, nothing. There are people out there that are doing some crazy things to make money right now. And if you're a public adjuster, please do things the right way. This is why we have so many laws and regulations right now that are constricting our business. It's because there's people like this that are out there bullying people and threatening people and acting like a hard ass when it's completely unnecessary. Do business the right way, get a contract, be transparent, tell people the truth, and our world is going to be a lot better. If you need me, call or text me anytime.